This is a test for Sansui G5000. I have it hooked up. The input signal right now is at 1 kilohertz, 1 volt peak to peak sine wave, and I have both the channels showing on my oscilloscope. The red channel is the left. Red traces the left channel, and the yellow traces the right channel. So I'm going to turn this up to the first volume level, first step. So it looks like a nice and even signal on the left and right channel. And I'm going to slowly crank this up all the way until it gets into overdrive. Then I'm going to turn the input signal down a little bit and test it when this thing's really cranked up. So far so good. There's a little bit of higher amplitude on one of the channels, but not very significant. Still a nice clean sine wave. We're up to 12 volts here, the output average. And this is at 40%. Oh, it didn't move. Oh, there we go. So that's a clipping. It's putting out 20 volts. And it starts to clip here, a little bit unevenly on one channel. Let me go through the frequency spectrum. So that's 1 kilohertz. Let me crank this up to 20. And that's my clip at 20 at this higher frequency. Oops. That still looks clean. It's a similar voltage output. I'm going to crank the volume up to the next step. So similar clipping level, it just produces slightly less amplitude at the higher frequency. I'm going to bring this all the way down to 20 hertz. There we go. Still nice. That's about the same voltage level as at 20 kilohertz. I'm going to crank the volume up to the next step and clips at just about the same spot. Okay, I'm going to pause this video, do the math, and get back to this.